Greetings and thanks for tuning in. I got another one for y'all, man. Welcome to Jazz Bar, where the music is smooth and the drinks are set to be even smoother. Today we're mixing up a Jazz Bar classic. Honestly, it's criminal I haven't made this sooner. The Gold Rush. It's simple, bold, and built with freshly squeezed lemon juice, a rich honey syrup, and a high quality bourbon. If you're looking to host a couple people over, this is definitely a go-to. I want to entertain y'all while keeping it smooth, while keeping it sweet, while keeping it just sophisticated. You know what I mean? This is the drink that you go to. Into the shaker, we put in 0.75 lemon juice, 0.75 honey syrup, and 2-ounce bourbon. Hey man, you might be saying, Jazz man, you always say this drink is a banger. What makes this drink so special? So my answer to that is saying that honey syrup brings a mellow, velvety sweetness that smooths out the sharp citrus and wraps around the warmth of the bourbon. Simple, but sophisticated. It's a straight up banger. Try it for yourself and see, man. All right. History lesson time. Let's break it down. Who, when, why, and where this drink was created. The Gold Rush was born in the early 2000s at a legendary Milk and Honey bar in New York City. It was created by a bartender named TJ Siegel, who wanted to riff on the classic whiskey sour but keep things cleaner and smoother. So instead of using plain sugar, he swapped in honey syrup and boom, the Gold Rush was born. A morning classic with an old school soul. And that's just how simple it is. We're gonna go pour that into our old-fashioned glass, strain it over ice. But before I put that garnish on, that garnish is just basically that lemon peel, twisted. But before I do that, I want to tell y'all something, man. To add a little bit of depth, I added in that orange bitters, just to give it a little bit more depth. 2 or 3 dashes dropped in there, stirred it, and it was just straight banger. I want to tell y'all, man, I really enjoyed this drink. It's simple, it's smooth, and it honestly just hits the spot. We throw that garnish in there, and cheers, y'all. Let's go ahead and taste this drink now. And you know what it is. All right, guys. If you're feeling this vibe, I'll only ask you for one favor, man. Hit that subscribe button for more cocktails, mocktails, tips, and good times. Until next time, keep it chill, keep it smooth, and keep shaking. Cheers, y'all.